Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have finished designing your site and want it live on the internet, publishing in GoDaddy Website Builder is quick in 2026. But many people miss one small step and think it's already live. So let's make sure you publish correctly and verify everything works. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to publish your website in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open your website's editor. Okay, so log in to your GoDaddy account, go to websites plus marketing, find your website, okay, and then click edit website. So you must be inside the editor to publish. Okay, so preview before publishing. So before going live, click preview, check desktop view, switch to mobile view. Okay, so look for broken text, image cropping issues, buttons not clickable, missing sections. So preview shows how visitors will see your site. Okay, so now after that you have to click publish. Okay, publish. When you are ready, click the publish button top right corner. That's it. If you don't click publish, nothing goes live. So even if it looks finished in the editor. So now check your live website. So after publishing, click view sites or open your domain in a new tab or open the site in incognito or private mode. Okay, so incognito avoids cached or logged in views. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.